Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Alexis Sierra, and you are here for what? Another hair video, period. So y'all already see what it is. This is not no clickbait. Y'all know I give it to you real and raw, and y'all gonna see how I got this style. And I am so freaking happy with it. This is again under $30, and it probably will be a lot cheaper because I had to buy a few supplies and like a hair mask. So realistically, I'm gonna tell y'all the details before we get into this video. But first, if you're new, hello, hi. I hope you like what you see. And if you're an OG, you already know what it is for today, period. So as y'all can tell, I am so excited because I am so happy and in love with how my hair came out. Y'all was a little nervous. And y'all gonna see, I'm just gonna give y'all a full disclaimer. I was like very delirious during this process. It was probably like 8 o'clock, 8:30 at night. Y'all, I usually be in the bed by then. I was doing this for you. I was doing this for us, okay? But no, seriously, I like had to take out my faux locks, which I have a video. I will have that video linked down below. I had to take that out, wash my hair, do a hair mask, and then start this whole process. So I was up pretty late, but I am so happy with the results, and I hope that you are as well. So I don't know if I say the prices in the next clip of showing all of the products, but the ponytail was $19.99. I did buy some gel just because I didn't see any Eco Styler gel at the store for whatever reason. I don't know why, and I knew I did not have enough at home. This was $1.99, and then I bought these little elastics. They were $1.49. And like I said, that's pretty much it that pertains to the purchases towards this hairstyle. But y'all already know I'm done blabbing. I'm gonna show y'all how I do this.
So all I'm doing right here is separating my hair before I part it with a comb. And just a little background, I am in the process of transitioning again, going back natural, so my ends look a little thinner just because they are relaxed, and my root is definitely giving thick, baby. So no like joke about it. Next, I'm just taking this Shine and Jam to part all of my sections with the comb just to make sure it is nice and neat. And if you want to see in detail the crisscross aspect of things, I will have that video linked down below, because again, this is a repeat of a style that I did before, so I just didn't want to take a long time on recording that part again. And now I am going to wet my hair, not the center, just honestly the parts that need to be wet, the front and the back. But please make sure you do not spray the crisscross, because if your hair is like mine, it will definitely revert back and become curly and coarse, and we do not want that.
Moment of truth, baby. This is my first time doing one, so I'm excited, but I'm nervous. I'm very nervous. So y'all, I've been literally jamming to Chris Brown. He's got me through doing this part because I feel like, honestly, I mean, this is my first time doing a ponytail, but this seems to be the most tedious part. So before I show you guys the hair that I bought for my ponytail, again, I didn't go into great detail about the crisscross detail because I will link the video down below, but I've done this style before or something similar, at least the crisscross part with a different hairstyle. So definitely finish watching this video and then watch that video. Or maybe you need to pause this video, go watch that one to learn how to do this. and then you come back. You know what I'm saying? Just watch both of them, you know what I'm saying? But I didn't really feel like going into detail because like I said, I have a video already on my channel showing in detail how I do the crisscross method. I am no hairstylist. Yeah, so I'm showing y'all how I do it. And that's that. But if you guys know, I have like a very coarse 4C hair. I'm also transitioning. Again, that's a whole nother tea for another day. So yeah, with that being said, my hair, like, baby, we can't play no games. So what I'm gonna do, since I've already wrapped up or gelled the back of my hair, like the ponytail part, I'm about to just start wrapping. I want to go ahead and try to secure my edges. So I'm gonna use this Wonder Lace Bond. Y'all already know I use this all the time. And I just want to hit the sweet spots, you know? Don't be shy. What I like to do is just brush it in a little bit to make sure everything is going where it should be. Of course, I would want it to, you know, go to where it should and not like get stuck somewhere where I don't like it. And then I'm going to use just those little wrap sheets. Y'all know I don't know the names of them, so over here we call them wrap sheets until someone corrects me. But yeah, so that's kind of just the purpose of doing that, because I want to make sure everything is secure. Y'all, I did not know I was out of freaking these little sheets, so I only got 2. And I already have like oil and stuff on them from being in a drawer that I had them in, so hopefully they do their job. But I'm gonna apply 2, and it's crazy because I was gonna use these to like continue the whole like ponytail situation to make sure of everything, but since I only had 2, my edges are priority. I'm sorry, because I have a scarf. I have plenty of scarves to like do the rest and make sure everything else is okay. But you just want to make sure primarily that the edges are secure, just like that. So I just wanted to make sure that I have all this good to go. Now we're about to wrap. I didn't even know there was a section for the ponytails, girl. Like, what? Where have I been? Okay, let me calm down because I'm getting a little geeked. But this is the Pony Pro Easy Wraparound Ponytail. Yeah. This is the super curly 24-inch, and I got it in 1B just because I didn't want 1 because I know that's too dark for my hair, because my hair has like a sandy brown color to it, so I kind of want it to match as best as possible. But yeah, you guys, so ain't nothing to it but to do it. It has this little wraparound situation, which is similar to what I was going to do anyways. I had to take that thing off and go into the bathroom. I'm sorry, you guys. It's just really hard sometimes trying to like film and be in the frame and then be on camera and then like really try to figure it out. So I was able to take it off and then put it back on, and I like the way I wrapped it this time much better. And now what I'm going to do is take my scarf and wrap my hair up, and then I'm also going to sit under the dryer just because I know I put like a lot of gel on my hair, and just try to let a lot of this moisture and everything like kind of just absorb, tighten, and hopefully it looks really, really sleek and pretty. So we're gonna just see the results together. Guys, so good morning. This is actually the next day, and I wanted to get a first-hand look after I unwrapped it, baby, from this morning. First of all, y'all, I kind of got to be quick because I have to go to work. But first of all, y'all ain't tell me I was so delirious last night that I thought I was going to sit under the hairdryer with a synthetic wig on. Child. I mean, a synthetic ponytail on. Y'all, why when I turned the camera off, I was like, girl, how you going to sit under the dryer? It's going to be on fire. Like, what? But if you cannot tell, y'all, I am so freaking happy with this wig. So first, oh my god, why do I keep saying wig? This ponytail. I am so freaking happy and proud of myself. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I was a little about it, but I am so freaking happy with the results. So as you guys saw, I just wrapped my hair into a scarf, and so I have a silk scarf that's a lot tighter, and that's kind of what I wanted to mold everything while I use my blow dryer for about probably like 5-10 minutes. Just try to, you know, just kind of get it going. And then what I did is I wrapped my hair with a cloth scarf, just because, like I said, cloth and like cotton material usually takes out like the wetness, the moisture, and all of that. So that's what I slept with, and it molded it really well. I had those strips on there just to protect like the front, and I think it did really well. So I am super duper happy with this final result, honey. Who gonna be cute? Baby, that's me. That's me. Yo, I'm so geek. But you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will include, of course, a little overview of all of the products that I use, but I kind of showed you guys briefly throughout the entire video. But yeah, you guys, yeah, now I'm on the ponytail gang. Y'all can't tell me nothing, okay? So until then, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.